going to be making dinner. So we're going to make stuffed chicken with asparagus, cheese, and prosciutto. And then we're going to have a side of sweet potatoes and some garlic bread and maybe a Caesar salad. So now we're just peeling up our sweet potato. We're going to put it on a pan with a little bit of olive oil and let it cook. Found out our chicken so that we have a little bit more because we're hungry. And we cut up our asparagus and our cheese already, but I'm just gonna keep pounding this out. So now I got 2 wrapped already. Put a little bit of oil in our pan, and then we're gonna cook them in here for a little bit, and then we'll bake them in this dish after. We're just waiting for it to fry. Poured herself a little bit of a rosé. Show you when it's done. We're drinking a rosé vino. Now we're gonna spin our salad. And then you drink some wine. Okay, dinner is ready. What if I told you? Okay guys, we got our salad, our sweet potato, our garlic bread, and our chicken. Doesn't this look good? And then a dog. Film it back up, put it back up. Higher. 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 Cheers guys.
Make funding for WHO conditional on referring to the organisation. What are your thoughts on that? If you had any advice from Mr. Morrison?
Look, I feel very badly about the World Health Organization, but it's been a